Hello everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and I am Radha Krishnan. Well, when we received this phone in the office, this is the new Infinix Zero 30 5G. All our guys in the office crowded around me because of just the look, sheer look of this phone. Okay, though that's not what we talk about in our videos. I think in this video I have to make a small exception because this really looks premium. Straight out of the box, it's actually inviting you to start using it. And then you see the price point. $21,999. It's an amazing price to start with for a phone which has features like really premium phones. So as a matter of practice, we don't talk about the tech part of this phone, we talk about the camera of the phone. But for the sake of mentioning a few tech points, this phone is powered by the latest MediaTek's Dimensity 8020, which means it's got a lot of tech, lot of AI going on in this phone. Okay, so we're going to talk about what we know best, which is the camera. This phone has a 108 megapixel, that's right, you heard it right, 108 megapixel main camera. The ISOCELL HM6 from Samsung. 108 megapixel sensor, which is known for its high resolution. Of course, 108 is very high resolution for a mobile phone camera sensor. It has great low light sensitivity. It has a special feature by which it actually combines multiple pixels together to form a larger, rather mimic a larger pixel so that it takes in more light and gives you more low light capability. It can shoot 4K 60. It's got DIS, so it'll give you a stabilized video at 1080 at 30. And of course, the front camera is 50 megapixel. Okay, it'll give you 4K footage if you are vlogging, like a typical vlogger feel. It's got a brilliant screen with 144 hertz of refresh rate, which is brilliant because, they are also, meaning Infinix is also trying to woo the gamer. And of course, the 8020 is taking care of the speed in which you can play your game and kind of without any lag. Coming back to the camera, we shot some images in 108 megapixels. Brilliant. It's got an AI camera. You switch on the camera and right on top in AI cam mode, it'll give you an option to activate the 108 megapixel. So if you don't activate the 108 megapixel, it'll start giving you much lower resolution by pixel binning. And because, that's how it works. It realizes that these pictures are probably not very important. So hence, let me not use too much space. I'm just interpreting in my own way. But if you really want to shoot images with great detail, landscapes, architecture, people's portrait and things like that, then activate the 108 megapixel. If you want, you can also click on the AI color enhancement mode, which is right on top, and the camera does everything else. All you have to do is to find a nice subject, frame it right, and shoot it. And then I handed this over to Nikhil our new member in our camera team to take it out and show it. I did not tell him about the great details about this camera phone, but I'm sure he's a photographer, so he may have figured it out. But he went and just shot some stills and some videos this morning. So it's the festival season is beginning in India, okay, and you can see the colors. I'll definitely say as a little saturated, but I think that's what the internet world likes. That's what the people like. And Nikhil did not do anything special here to boost these colors. Oops, I forgot to change the label though. And then, of course, we shot some 4K footages, some time lapses, and some handheld Full HD videos too. This phone has an interesting feature whereby you can replace the sky in real time while shooting using the AI features. Now, I don't want to try and do one hard sell here talking about the image quality. I'm sure by now you may have figured out what this phone camera is capable of. So it is the all-new Infinix Zero 30. And it's a 5G phone. Probably this is the only phone which is available on this side of 25,000 rupees with all these amazing premium phone features. Do I have to say anything more? Or maybe I have to shoot some selfies and some, vlogging kind of shots to give you a little more about the front camera. And like they say, proof of the pudding is in eating. So we're going to test the video, the 4K 60 using the front camera. Now, the 4K 60 on a front camera is the first in this segment. And I'm really excited to test that one. And after that, we will switch to the stabilized mode, during which time the resolution will drop down to Full HD at 30. Okay, now it's very convenient. I can actually shoot like this, but I seriously advise everyone to invest in a small selfie stick. This will come in handy in more than one occasion. You want to shoot on low light conditions, you want to shoot a landscape where you want to work with low shutter speeds, and of course, vlogging. We will be able to kind of make good use of this, and this is definitely an investment. So what I am going to do is go into the camera, switch to video, and I'm going to select the 4K 60. All right, I'm going to mount the camera on the selfie stick, and I'm actually ready to go. So here it is, the front camera of Infinix Zero 30 5G. At 4K 60, and I'm going to walk with it. Now the 4K 60 do not have an inbuilt image stabilization, okay? And that's why you actually require a selfie stick. Now if you use a selfie stick, you'll be able to kind of get good, nice, decent stabilization vis-a-vis trying to do this shot using, let's say, a handheld kind of a scenario. So let me turn around, okay, and I'm going to walk the other way. All right. Okay, now let me switch to the steady mode. All right, now you have steady, and you saw the resolution dropping down to 1080 at 30, and let me do that same walk once again. 1080 stabilized, and it's got decent stabilization.
and face recognition, of course, and very good exposure too.
So what we're going to do is we're going to upload some of the footages, both stills and video, for you in a drive. And the link will be available in the description. I'd like you to all go through it and let us know what you think of those images. And of course, the phone too. I'll see you in another video very soon.